see these yellow jackets flying in and out of this dryer vent. There's a hole right beneath that cover. Right underneath that cover, that's where they're coming in and out. Have a little nest there. Little opportunistic things, aren't they? Like, they're starting to come out a lot. There's a few of them coming out. Let me go ahead and treat this. Get this taken care of. All right, so the hole that the yellow jackets were using has just been treated. That's why you see a whole bunch of them buzzing around like this. Look at that. There's a ton of them buzzing around. Let me zoom out for you guys. There's a lot buzzing around here. But yeah, they're just buzzing around. They're not even going back in. They don't want to go back in. The substance we use does a good job of keeping them out. There were some yellow jackets in there that flew out, had that dust on them. Those are dead, of course. These guys are going to stick around for a little bit, but they're not going to go back in there. Their home is destroyed. There's nothing to go back to. So within 5 days, these guys, this will be clear. You won't see this activity anymore. But it's just crazy. Like, they're going insane trying to get back in.